Hello, YouTube. Hopefully you can hear me over the air filter. Posting this video to ask for some help in figuring out why my Honeywell HEPA Air Filter is rattling. Didn't used to do the rattle, just started recently. After I cleaned the HEPA filter, I washed the HEPA filter. I let it dry out, although I noticed that there wasn't any dripping water still, but the internal HEPA material seems to be damp. So I tried taking the filters out to see if it rattled without the filters. So let me stop here and do that, and we'll see. All right, so I'm back. I'm going to take the filters out, and I'm going to turn it back on. Oh yeah, that's how it used to be. So it's definitely not the unit. Something about the filters being, I guess, damp is causing the problem. So I don't know why that would make a difference. Air pressure, because not enough air is getting through the filter. But any suggestions I'd appreciate. Thank you in the comments. Thanks.